Greetings, road warriors. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where epic journeys begin. We're delighted to showcase a recent trade-in, a 2008 Damon Tuscany 4072 with only 23,000 miles, offered at an affordable $74,900. This 40-foot Class A diesel pusher, sitting on a rugged Freightliner chassis, showcases the expansive 4072 floor plan with 4 generous slide-outs, comfortably sleeping 4. Dressed in the vibrant Sunset Shadow full-body paint package with a black base and bold red, white, and gold striping, this RV dazzles with flair, driven by a powerful Cummins diesel engine. Come along for a vibrant tour to discover every luxurious detail of this unbeatable deal. Let's begin with the exterior, where the 2008 Damon Tuscany 4072 exudes timeless elegance. The Sunset Shadow paint scheme, with its striking black base and vivid red, white, and gold striping, commands attention at every stop. Spanning 40 feet, this coach is built on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with air brakes and air ride suspension, ensuring a smooth, steady ride across any landscape. Fueled by an 8.3-liter Cummins turbocharged diesel engine, it delivers 360 horsepower and 1,050 foot-pounds of torque, paired with a 6-speed Allison automatic transmission with electronic shifter for effortless cruising. Updated 2024 Hankook tires ensure you're ready for the road ahead. The robust build promises durability for years of travel. The exterior brims with features to enhance your outdoor experience. Pass-through basement storage compartments with a slide-out storage tray provide vast space for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures. A 10,000-pound weight-distributing tow hitch with a 7-pin plug lets you bring along a vehicle or trailer with ease, complete with a full-width mud flap for added style. The color-coordinated awning package, including an electric patio awning, manual entry door awning, and slide toppers, creates a shaded oasis at any campsite. LCI electronic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls offer quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor simplify navigation. Keeping your adventures powered is a breeze with this RV's reliable systems. The Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator delivers ample power for off-grid escapes. A 50-amp service with an extension cord paired with a 2,000-watt Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects ensures efficient energy management. Dual 13,500 BTU low-profile roof air conditioners and a 35,000 BTU electric ignition floor ducted furnace keep you comfortable year-round. Step inside, and the 4072 floor plan envelops you in a spacious, welcoming retreat. 4 slide-outs create an airy interior that sleeps 4, perfect for couples or small groups seeking comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom and a pull-out sleeper sofa in the front living room. The main living room is a cozy haven with a sleeper sofa, Euro recliners, and a dining room table with 2 chairs adjacent to a 32-inch LCD TV, ideal for relaxing evenings or lively gatherings. The high-quality cabinetry and solid surfaces create a warm, inviting ambiance that feels like home. The full kitchen is a culinary gem, crafted for effortless meal preparation. It features a Norcold 4-door refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, a convection microwave oven, a residential sink with a faucet, and solid surface counters for ample prep space. The dining table nearby ensures comfortable meals with loved ones. The middle bathroom area offers a luxurious escape with a glass shower enclosure, skylight, sink, vanity, and a private room with a toilet and power vent fan, delivering a spa-like experience on the go. The rear master suite is a restful oasis, designed for ultimate relaxation. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV and wardrobe closet, offers comfort and ample storage for your belongings. The slide-out creates a spacious, open feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments that add warmth and charm. The king bed and sleeper sofa provide cozy sleeping for up to 4, making this RV ideal for intimate getaways or small group adventures. Let's shine a light on what makes this RV exceptional. The 4072 floor plan, with 4 slide-outs, offers a roomy interior that sleeps 4 with ease. The Cummins diesel engine and Freightliner chassis deliver powerful, dependable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid freedom. Features like the solid surface counters, electric fireplace, and sunset shadow paint package add style and practicality, while the spacious bathroom and washer-dryer hookups enhance convenience. At just $74,900, this 2008 Damon Tuscany 4072 with only 23,000 miles is a remarkable value for a diesel pusher. Envision embarking on a journey in this 2008 Damon Tuscany 4072, winding through scenic mountain passes, coastal routes, or tranquil campgrounds with your loved ones. Picture savoring a meal at the dining table, lounging by the 32-inch TV, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of exploration. This RV marries the comforts of home with the freedom of the open road, and its sunset shadow exterior ensures you arrive with vibrant style. From the spacious kitchen to the luxurious bathroom, this RV is built for comfort and adventure. Ready to seize this beauty? Priced at just $74,900, this 2008 Damon Tuscany 4072 is a rare opportunity to own a low-mileage, feature-packed diesel pusher. Reach out at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or book a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to set you up for your next adventure. Thank you for joining us for this vibrant walk-around of the 2008 Damon Tuscany 4072. Explore more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. With its 4 slide-outs, luxurious features, and unbeatable price, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2008 Tuscany 4072.